Hi everybody, this is a continuation of our last session with the introduction of the keherumpu, the frame drum. Last time we worked with notation, rhythmic notation associated with the frame drum and the body movement. We were working with the whole notes, the half notes, the quarter notes, the eighth notes, and the 16th notes, and some variations of the rhythms. We're going to come back to that later in this class. But for now, I just really want to have an idea once again to work on the sound and the introduction of working with the keherumpu, the frame drum. Please notice as I hold the drum, you're going to have to reverse. Don't mirror me because today I'm going to play it the way I play it. You're all holding it with your left hand because I know that you're all right-handed. If you're left-handed, you can hold it with your right hand. But anyway, notice how I'm not clasping it with my thumb. And we get this very nice open sound. I'm playing on the edge, a reonola. And I can use variations of either these three fingers. I don't use the pinky or the thumb, or maybe just my index finger. I like using my index finger because I get actually on this big drum, which is bigger than yours, and it's also luonilin and calvo. You have the Remo fiber head, which is pretty good. I get a very nice resonant sound with just my index finger. But I can bring in the other fingers for variations or accents of sound. Let's do this. Let's start moving around the room in a phrase of 8 counts. And we're going to improvise at the end of the every phrase of 8, so we have the sense of that this is a movement or a motion phrase of 8 counts. We're going to do it for 3 times. 3 times 8, and then on the 4th 8, we'll begin with a roll down. We'll stop our feet pulsing because we're walking at the same tempo. We'll roll down for 1/8 and come for 4 and come back up for 4. I think that's what the structure is. You'll see. I'm going to do it right here in my basement. And then we'll continue and maybe some variation every 4th set of 8. The first time is a roll down. You can do that a couple of times. The whole point of this study is for you to be able to integrate playing the drum, doing a little phrasing, and moving at the same time. So here we go, and ooks, cox, cold, these who say, cox, I'm moving around the dance studio. Ooks, cox, cold, these who say, ooks, cox, cold, these who say, cox, ooks. Now moving, cox. You're moving all over this room. Colme. Let's roll down one more time for 4 and back up for 4. Hooks, cocks, Colme. These who say cocks. Now make a variation of something moving on that 4th measure. Here we go. Moving, go to the side and mo to the side and hooks, cocks, Colme. Say coxy hooks, cocks. These who say coxy colme, cox, cold. These who say coxy melia, cox, cold. These who say coxy boom. Okay, let's do this a little bit more. This was the introductory video, and we'll have some additional things that we'll do in the next study.